Well, after 3 years of ties, the Scripps National Spelling Bee is changing the rules in an attempt to end a tie streak. This year, the top spellers will sit for a written tiebreaker test before they begin spelling words in the primetime finale. It will include 12 spelling words and 12 vocabulary words and will not be televised. Results will be sealed in envelopes and revealed only if 2 or 3 spellers get through the final rounds unscathed. The speller with the highest score would then be declared the champion. So the only way it would end in another tie this year is if the top spellers get the same score on the test. The Scripps National Spelling Bee begins on Sunday, May 28th.